All right, here's another question, feds. Here we go. The question was dumb. Actually, the quote is, dumb question. Does my pension get taxed? So first off, that isn't a dumb question, and I'll tell you why. Although it may seem obvious to a lot of people, yes, of course, your pension gets taxed. But the thing that I'm most pleased with is that you asked it, that you didn't take it for granted, that you said, yes, it does get taxed. And that should lead you to other questions. Well, if the pension is taxed, what else gets taxed? And guess what else gets taxed? Everything. Which means that the money that the government says we're going to give you, you don't actually get in your bank account. Well, see, that one question, even if you think it might be a dumb question, can lead you to other questions that you didn't know or haven't thought of to ask yet. And that leads you to more of the truth and the best way for you to retire and maximize your retirement benefits. So keep asking questions. Come to our workshop, ask more questions. We'll give you answers. See you there.